Here is a question on general organic chemistry. Read the question carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us now begin solving this step by step. Identify the compounds and their key intermolecular forces. W. Cyclopentanol, megawatt-86, has OH group capable of strong hydrogen bonding as donor and acceptor. Boiling point -140 degrees C. Kiss Smiley tetrahydropyran, THP megawatt-86, has oxygen but no NH or OH, so only dipole-dipole and London dispersion forces. Boiling point -88 degrees C. Y. 1-methylpyrrolidine, megawatt-85, tertiary amine, NCH3, no NH bond, so only weak dipole and London dispersion. Boiling point -81 degrees C. Z. Piperidine, megawatt-85, secondary amine with NH, capable of NH hydrogen bonding, weaker than OH but still significant. Boiling point -106 degrees C. Moving on to the next step. W. OH hydrogen bonding, strongest. Z. NH hydrogen bonding, X. Dipole only, larger ring more polarizable than Y. Y. No H bonding, tertiary amine, smallest dispersion. Moving on to the next step. Both X and Y lack H bond donors. THP, Kiss Smiley has a more polarizable oxygen contributing to a stronger dipole than the tertiary amine in Y. THP also has a 6-membered ring versus Y's 5-membered ring, giving slightly higher London dispersion forces. Thus XY. And for the final step, WZXY, which matches option D. A. WXZY places X above Z, ignoring that NH in piperidine enables hydrogen bonding, raising its BP above THP. B. WXYZ, same error, places X above Z and Y above Z. C. WZYX places Y above X, but THP has stronger intermolecular forces than 1-methylpyrrolidine. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.